Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to close out apps on Android. To close out apps, we have two best methods. First, using the recent app screen. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold. Scroll through the open apps and swipe up on the app you want to close. Tap Close All, Clear All, if available, or trash icon to close or running apps at once. Last method, using settings. Go to settings on your device, tap apps, apps and notifications, or app management, depending on your device. Then choose see all apps or app list. Choose the app you want to close, tap on it, tap Force Stop, and confirm when prompted. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.